Hey bird watchers, today I'm going to learn German. Or at least have a dubbed video of me speaking German using ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is a voice AI company that enables natural sounding speech generation and transformation. And using Blackbird, you can tap into that awesomeness to add to your automated workflows. Let's walk through the bird that will fly us there. In this first step, I'm going to use Google Drive as a hot folder of sorts. Using the onFileCreated trigger, anytime a new file is added to this folder, the bird's gonna fly. Here's the folder in Google Drive. Now, I'm hopeful we will only add video files here, but if we are worried that someone may add a different file type, we could add a decision branch in our bird based on file types to either proceed or end the flight. I'm using Google Drive here as the example, but the same logic would apply to any of the file storage apps in Blackbird, or any app we can download a video from. As a note, while Blackbird is made to handle large files, some of the systems we connect to might not be suited for that. So it's best to check the apps for any file download and upload restrictions, or even test the file downloading capabilities in a small bird before building your whole workflow around it. But for our test, Google Drive is going to work fine. So we'll download the file and send it to ElevenLabs to create a dubbed video. I've set the language as German here. Now, we could easily turn this into several dubbed videos by looping through a list of languages we choose. You can see I've mapped the file to send to ElevenLabs to the file we downloaded before. It's like connecting dots between the systems we want to orchestrate with. This ElevenLabs action also has several other options we can enable if we wanted to. Right here, we'll pause the workflow with a checkpoint to wait for ElevenLabs to finish the dubbing step. Depending on the video size, this could take some time. But don't worry, Blackbird will just chill out here until the video is ready. Then, we download the file, adding any options here we want. And finally, we'll upload the file into a video in folder in Google Drive. It's best to send to a new folder and not the original, to avoid an infinite loop. Okay, let's see this bird fly. I have this short clip from the Shift Left podcast to use as a test. And our flight is underway. The bird triggered, downloaded the file, passed it on to ElevenLabs, and started the dub creation process. The event trigger kicks off when the video is done, and the new video will download from ElevenLabs and upload to our folder in Google Drive. And here it is. Let's download it and check out the original English version and then the German version. Hey bird watchers, welcome to the Shift Left podcast, where we explore the tools, practices, and people transforming the localization industry. I'm Dan Milzarski, the VP of Solutions at Blackbird.io. And so the question is this going to be a commercial for Blackbird? And I'm going to say it's in the same sense that G.I. Joe is a commercial for toys. We're going to absolutely be breaking down Blackbird in our episodes, but we want to tackle specific real-world use cases and show what's possible. Hey Vogelbeobachter, willkommen beim Shift Left Podcast, wo wir die Werkzeuge, Praktiken und Menschen erkunden, die die Lokalisierungsbranche transformieren. Ich bin Dan Milzarski, der Vizepräsident für Lösungen bei Blackbird.io. Und die Frage ist also, wird das ein Werbespot für Blackbird? Und ich würde sagen, es ist im gleichen Sinne wie G.I. Joe ein Werbespot für Spielzeug war. Wir werden Blackbird in unseren Episoden definitiv analysieren, aber wissen Sie, wir wollen spezifische, reale Anwendungsfälle angehen und zeigen, was möglich ist. And there you have it, an automated way to add ElevenLabs into your workflow. This process could sit within a larger localization workflow as well. So, you could create your own translation and pass it on as a CSV file to ElevenLabs in the dubbing step. And that will do it for this demo, but don't fret. There will be plenty more. With almost 200 apps in our ecosystem, Blackbird is the new language infrastructure, where content operation workflows are limitless. Learn more at Blackbird.io and keep your eyes to the skies for more awesome stuff coming soon.